Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel on Android device. And here is how it is done. First, open your WhatsApp account. Start by clicking on Update. After updating, click on the three dots at the top. Then select Create Channel. Once you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, proceed by selecting Agree and Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a channel name. After that, you can write your description and set your profile image. Once all that is done, click on Create Channel. Now your channels is ready. If you want to share the link to your channel, just click on Share Channel Link and choose whether to copy or share it directly. That is everything you need to know about how to create a WhatsApp channel in Android device. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.